Welcome to IndusAyush. Now, let's take a look at the vision session. Here, we can view all recorded vision reports for the selected members. The list displays the member name, doctor name, hospital name, and date. To add a new vision report, click on the New button. In the form, enter the hospital name and doctor name. Then select the date and time of the report or choose the upload time if you are adding an older report. In the vision report session, we can choose how to add the report. Upload file to upload images or any type of document. Report entry to type the report details manually. After entering all the information, click create vision and report will be added to the list. To update an existing vision report, click the edit icon. Here we can modify the hospital name, doctor name, date and time. We can also view, print, or download the existing uploaded documents. If needed, we can replace the uploaded file or edit the typed report. After making changes, click Save Changes and the record will be updated. This feature helps us store and manage vision report easily, making it simple to access past eye examination details whenever needed.